Crossbow whip variation in West Coast swing dance.
That's what we're gonna do today. So we'll show it to you. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So we'll show you from this direction so you can see his handwork here.
Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go 1, 2. This is like a whip, leaders. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna cross the slot on 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm facing the other direction. I stepped across and pivoted out of the way.
So why don't you show that work real quick?
Okay, so I have left under. I'm gonna go 1, 2. I'm gonna shoot this hand out. That causes the girl to go that way. Here's my 2. I go 3 and 4 and get out of the way. I've crossed the slot back into the camera now, so it's wide open that way.
Can you show it from that direction? From this direction?
From this
here?
direction
Yeah.
here, crossed hands, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I'm pulling this hand through on 4, so this is her right hand up here.
Okay.
Okay, from
So
there.
you can see it right here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Here's where we got so far.
So
I'm
I'm
gonna
gonna
take
start
step
here.
5.
Now we're gonna step 5. So let's try 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna go over 5.
I'm gonna step to the side on 5 and settle into my heel, 6.
So we'll show what that looks like now.
So it's nice and slow.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Nice and slow.
5,
5, 6. No other footwork. I've gone 5, 6 and settled in.
I think that's trying from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see it's 5, 6.
There's no other footwork that's happening yet.
Okay, and so mine, as he leans into 5, 6, so do I. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So I need to start it from here to show mine. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Here's 5, 6. So now he's going to bring me around a little bit with his hand, and we're going to start the taps. We're going to go
So
6.
I tuck in left foot for me.
So
Tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, tap. Take her out, walk, walk.
And I do a vertical step.
Okay, so if we did from this direction, and I use the numbers.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Leaders don't have a triple, you just have a walk, walk. And then we did a sugar push with a starburst, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. That's an easy out.
Okay, let's do this one. I can see all your footwork.
Okay, I can catch the hand on the
1,
fly.
2, 3, and 4, 5,
Slow.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and then we do the
2,
starburst.
3, and 4, 5, and 6.
Okay, so that was the crossbow variation. See you later.